Alright guys, hi guys. So ignore the no makeup face and the messy hair, but I'm just here getting ready to go do a shoot today for Miss Utech 2016, and it's quite early. I've only got about 2 hours of sleep. Sad, huh? And then I have to go come home and do a lot of work. But anyways, that's how I know I'm doing it big. No team, no sleep. Work hard for what you want. So yeah, yesterday I did my exam. You see a small clip of me in the class yesterday. So I'm at the marina now, looking at a scale with my models. Hi guys! This was my final look. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm looking at my turn. There. The marina. Sit up. Bye for now. So yeah. Anyways, just here getting ready. Might show you throughout the day what I'm doing. I'm here with Sam. Hi Sam. Hi. And we're lost. We're lost. We're supposed to be heading somewhere, and the persons who are organizing it have no idea where we're going. We're in Stony Hill and Ross. Like
literally lost.
Sitting ducks lost. Oh my god. Like, so we reach a location and can't go inside. Say hi to Toya.
Hey guys.
Daniel.
Dan. Open. A snap or IG?
Vlog.
Oh, you vlogging?
Oh, because it was like
Shit.
and
I thought about. Toya. Can't believe them things that people wake up early for like nothing, you know? Nothing at all.
I've been up from before 5 o'clock. No, like 5:15.
Hell no, because I went to sleep at like 2:30. I'm saying, nah, wake up.
I don't know how I wake up, but I wake up because about them time I got my bed too. No, later than that.
Couldn't deal. I still find time to wake up and put on makeup, Moya. You must do better. People talk to her. She must do better. Like, shit.
It's not much. Stop it.
She just extra with her wings.
Look at the girls.
Hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, hey, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no,
Hi, ladies.
Oh, this is insane. Watch out, girl. You don't even have to put on makeup. You know I hate it.
What is-
sometimes. What is
Where?
my greasy, my
Where?
my face.
Where?
Will you please ask her where? Bitch, where? Girl don't even need makeup. No.
In the
Drop. Oh my god. The adventure we are on today. Like, it's an air trip up. No. Almost drop her. No. Some kind of delay. Today, bush up burn. Somebody there. We will have it on the video.
listen, there's no way. It's no way to get to
Soon.
She said I'm done.
You have to go back for it. Make sure you don't lose them.
You have to carry the main door.
Oh, we can follow the rest of the road. After I made it last week. You know, I think it's very nice to see these places. Some of these places that are not touched by man. Like, very touched by man. Like, look at this. Look at the river though. Because I want to at least put my foot in the water if it's clean, that is. Look at this, man.
No, whatever you want to go. Like, you know, this weekend or something.
See, just walk, come down here and have your friends, good friends.
I can't everybody say
Yeah, the legit friends.
When you can lose him, you never want it tight enough. Him a come pay money, me go tight for some. The man not talk about your same money. What enough reggae music? What enough reggae music? You cannot reggae music, say yes, Rasta. We can see Charles, reggae music comes out. It's so nice, it's so sweet, it's so beautiful to see. My people in the streets, kiss on myself. People like Jamaica, they bring that sweet, sweet love. We already have a mind. I may not have a mind in our life. Don't worry, it's a pity. I want to see it's a pity. You already have a mind.
I'm almost late for the performance. I'm almost late for the performance.
Marley. I'm still alive. We have to keep it together. So down a jungle, and down a river, and down a clover, and down a mainland, and down a battle, and over Waterhouse, and over river, and see you down, and we tell them, brother, who is it, brother, who is it, know that fantastic.
Before you play that next one,
One love. One love. You can't tell my mind and answer. And I know you make your daddy pass. I mean, that's all I can do.
It's a bubble, you know what?
Hi guys, so I'm back home and I must say I had fun at that Redemption live Bob Marley concert. It was very nice. Great artist and fun vibes, really fun vibes. I really like it. So yeah, I'm about to go sleep. Tomorrow is Monday, or today is Monday. I have to get studied for a test, so I'm gonna get some rest, wash my face, get some rest, and wake up and study in the morning. Hope you guys are having fun, enjoying life. Bye guys. Ugh, excuse my teeth. Just had some jerk chicken, you know, late night jerk chicken. Anyways, later guys.